What the hell is this MF doing on my car? Oh my god. He's scratching himself like a dog. I was just walking out of McDonald's, right, with my chicken nuggets, you know, and stuff like that, and my Coke, and my burgers, and then I just McDouble, and then I just seen this MF up here. Like, I just seen this motherfucker up here, bro. Like, what is he doing? Like, what is he doing? Yeah, I really don't know. It's a mystery, really. What happens if we start the car? He didn't even fucking flinch. What is he doing? Oh, jeez. I also got this thing back here is box fan. It's a classic. The box is classic, but hang on. Life hack right there. Yeah, yes sir. Oh shit, I'll get copyrighted. It's actually a windmere. So it's a box with classic on it, but it's actually a windmere, which is quite a surprise because I'm kind of glad that happened since what I was getting is much more newer. It's like a Lasco type of box fan, but instead I got a older 90s Lakewood windmere. And yes, it is a Lakewood. It has the Lakewood blades, the Macmillan, I'm pretty sure, the Macmillan motor, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, correct me on that. I'll make a initial checkout and servicing video on that. Definitely, 100%. But other than that, I mean, other than this guy, and my food, which looks scrumptious right now, I guess that's kind of it right now. So I'll see you guys whenever.